How to accentuate deep set green eyes. It's makeup that exposes your best features and not hides your face in front of the world. My favorite eyeshadow palette, Cocoa Blend by Zoeva, making a triangle mess on the outer corner of Alia's eyes. You don't need to be careful how you do this, just try to make a triangle. Then we'll blend this with a blending brush. Just blend it outwards, slightly up in the crease where the brown bone is, and also on the lower part, because this will lift the eyes, make them a bit more cat's eyes, looking like almond shape. Now, to bring a lovely color forward, to expose it, to accentuate it, I'm using a complementary color, which is Orchid by Laura Mercier. It's also shimmery, therefore the eyes will pop. You'll see, I love this makeup. It's not intense, but it does the job. Now, to bring the eyes forward even more, I'm applying lighter eyeshadow all around here because the eyes are quite deep set, and then to give her stars in the eyes, I'm applying it also in the waterline. That's why I'm pulling the lid down, because this will just stick. It's a waterproof color. Then mascara on the outer corner, not going inwards that much, so I concentrated it on the outer corner, and also the same I did on the upper part. Now, because the mascara was that clumpy, I'm going over with a clean mascara brush, contouring Alia's face just on the top of her forehead. You see where the shadow would fall, so I don't need to go around there on the temples of the forehead, because I just want to give the face a bit more depth, and that is where the forehead is the highest. So just two little stripes that will blend totally in the hairline. Blend it, blend it, blend it there. It's hard to do this with a powder because usually the line shows. Go check this in-depth makeup tutorial on our website where you have all the illustrations as well. Alia has rounder cheeks, especially there. They're round, they're full. She will age like very slowly because of that actually. Therefore, I'm contouring towards between her nose and her mouth. I'll make a line there that her face will look slightly more angled. It's not what you should do, but what you can do. So just play with makeup. Pulling it down and then blending it nicely, because later we'll go over with the tiny amount of the foundation. If you would go over with a lot of foundation, you wouldn't need to blend those contours well. You can just leave them slightly messy because they'll blend with the foundation. But if you're applying a thin coat, this is how you do it. Blush where the cheeks are round is not that appropriate. I mean, you know, the cheeks are round there. You don't want to bring the attention because you already see how full they are, nicely full. So you just want to give color to the face, especially to bring the eyes forward, to make them pop with a complementary color, which in this case is sort of a deep wine berry color. Waking her up because it was early in the morning with 8 hours sleep in a click. Pow, pow, pow. Few little stripes there because it has empire light and this photographs nicely. It just pops. Going over the eyebrows with powder. I'm using this so many times and it's still new. Because she has quite dark eyebrows, I didn't want to accentuate them that much. I wanted all the focus to be on the eyes, because if the eyebrows would be too dark, you wouldn't do much for the deep set eyes. Then, no pencil, just a bit of color on the lips, because Alia has such lovely full lips. I wanted to make them even sexier by applying this lovely gloss. From a guy's perspective, we guys love the gloss. Don't read too much Cosmopolitan, where they say that guys don't like gloss. I love it because it moistens your lips. This is how we did the makeup. Go check the makeup tutorial with all the illustrations and in-depth text of the tutorial on our website, and see you soon. Ciao, ciao.